Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Andy in Singapore and we have a Citizen watch here ready for unboxing. This watch was on loan from our boutique. Let me just slide this one out from the retail packaging. We've got a really small box today. This is some kind of a cardboard box over here. I'm going to flip open here and reveal the watch. Ta-da! So this one here is one of the latest models of the Promaster Diver series, and I believe this one is a JDM model because they don't get much coverage right here in Singapore. It says here is an automatic movement and this is ISO rated, so I'm not too sure what the kanji characters mean. ISO 规格 200 meters. I think this means that it is rated to ISO specifications. And over here it looks like we've got a really well spec'd out diver because you've also got a diver's extension rubber strap over here for those who intend to wear this over their wetsuits. Reference number of the watch is NB6006. The caliber number here is 9051, so I believe this is also one of the higher end series which houses the 9000 Miyota or Citizen movements as opposed to the 8000 series. Alright, let's take a look at the watch over here. It comes on a silicone strap, dark green strap, and this looks like a bronze bezel and a titanium coated casing or something like that. Let me just remove the protective layers over here. And now with all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoom in just a little bit, let's take a closer look at the Citizen Promaster Diver. So this is one of the latest release, if I'm not wrong. It came out sometime this year to almost no fanfare at all, and I can see why, because if you take a look at the design here, it's a little bit radical, if that's the word to describe. I don't think this type of design is very popular these days. Alright, so these days it is gearing towards the vintagey and 40-41 millimeters K size, and it does look like we're getting a really tall and slab-sided diver here. So I think this is one of the reasons why it doesn't receive that much fanfare. So let us just quickly do a hand alignment check on this one. 2 pops, and let me try 3 o'clock. Alright, looks really good. 6 o'clock. Alright, so we got the Citizen style diver hands here, which is very similar to the Fugu series, and I think the selling point for this watch will be this overall dark green colorway from the strap to the dial, which also features some kind of a waffle texture. And I'm not so sure about this bezel insert over here. It is some sort of a bronze or champagne gold coated material, and due to the 9000 series movement, I think this one should be a higher beat movement at 28.8k beats per hour, so you wouldn't say this is the entry level type of diver. So in terms of comparison with Seiko, this should be the same category as the Pro specs in the $1000 zone. We've got a really nice and comfortable strap. This feels like some kind of a high quality silicone material. Doesn't look or feel like the cheaper straps you get from the Fugu series, and it is topped off with a really nice signed Citizen buckle here, which is again some sort of coated titanium material, if I'm not wrong. And zooming back out, we've got a wrist shot here of the Citizen Promaster NB6006 series. As you can see here, this watch is slightly on the bigger side of things, and it's not helped by this weird fit strap here, which got really high ridges. I don't know what this design is all about. Okay, it's a fitted strap, but I'm not too sure why the ridges here are pointed out this way, and at the side profile here, it looks really funny. It looks slightly on the bigger side of things. If I'm not wrong, this watch should be about 44 to 45 millimeters K size, and the thickness here should be close to 15 millimeters if I'm not wrong. So stay tuned for the full review of the Citizen Promaster in dark green. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.